From the National Press Club in Washington, D.C., this is Rewind. This week, on election night, more than 300 people attended a nonpartisan watch party in the ballroom to see election results broadcast live on various news networks. In a post-election briefing, Christian conservatives assessed the reasons for the Republican Party's defeat.
Clearly, the Republican Party underperformed among Hispanics dreadfully, and among women, and among young people. They need more youthful women and minority leaders in both the operative community and as candidates.
Northwestern University alumni analyzed how the direction of the Republican Party will have to change.
We are likely to see much more serious movement toward comprehensive immigration reform because Republicans are desperate to find a way to get some share of the Hispanic vote back.
Polling experts said that polls should be used as instructive tools rather than predictive tools.
Polls being used as a substitute for thought for many Americans. Polls being used as a substitute for leadership by many of our elected officials and candidates. And polls being used as a substitute for good old-fashioned gumshoe reporting by many of our journalists.
International experts critique the United States polling systems.
If you use the Australian standard on the number of polling stations in the United States, there should be about 2.5 times more polling stations in the United States than there are.
The National Coalition on Healthcare presented their recommendations to reduce the federal deficit by $500 billion over the next 10 years.
We are recommending that we increase excise taxes on harmful substances that lead to greater health care costs. So that means tobacco, that means alcohol, and that means sugar-sweetened beverages.
It's critical to create incentives to reward value and effectiveness for healthcare providers. We should be paying for quality and certainly not for mistakes.
From the National Press Club, where news happens, this is Rewind. I'm Jennifer Schonberger.